Hello everybody, how are you all? Welcome to Kripa's Love Book. I'm Kripa, and if you're new to my channel, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon right down there, because that's the only way you'll get notified whenever I post my videos. So by the title, you already know that today we are testing a new brow product. So yeah, let's start it. So here how's the packaging look like, which includes the product and a spoolie. The color is dark brunette. We're gonna try this Unbelieva-brow from L'Oreal today, and it claims to be waterproof, smudge proof, transfer proof and sweat resistant. This is basically everything we want for our brow product. So I've picked up dark brunette, which is like 575 from my nearest Harman, and this was the darkest shade available in that Harman, but I've checked online. They do have black shade. I didn't find it, but black is the shade what I really want for my brow, but it's not that they don't have it, I couldn't find it. So yeah, let's try with the dark brunette, which is like dark brown. I'm gonna use this spoolie only. So here's how the applicator looks like, and I'm applying it to my hand just to see the color. And now I'm starting off with my one brow, and I'm using the same spoolie which is included in the kit, and I'm just shaping my brow the same way, starting from the middle brow and going towards the front, because whenever I'm going to do the front brow, I really need very less product. So yeah, I'm using most of the product in the middle brow and then applying less product in the front area. Now brushing my brow from the another end of that spoolie. The only thing with this product is this product dries up really quickly, so you have to work accordingly. For my other brow, I'm directly using the applicator, and then I'm gonna shape up my brow with the spoolie and gonna brush it through, because I feel that is how I save a lot of time, and that this brow was faster than the previous one. So yeah, that's how my brow looks. I'm really not satisfied with the color, but the product is really nice. And here I'm trying to remove the product which was on my hand, and you can see it's not going anywhere. And with the makeup remover also I've tried, and you can see here, like, I'm trying too hard to get rid of that, but no, it's like I'm getting rid of a tiny bit of it. And yeah, my brow is all dried up. It dries up really quickly, so you have to work really fast with this product. And now with the water, I'm trying to remove that, because it says it's waterproof and smudge proof and sweat proof. But yeah, it definitely passes the water test. So yeah, I really love this unbelieva-brow from L'Oreal. This is like literally transfer proof, smudge proof, waterproof and all that jazz. And I've got this product for $12 from Harman's. You can get it from anywhere. So if you have a light and thin brow like I have, then you really need this product. And if you're a person who wears makeup to gym like me, then this product is a must-have product, because you're gonna wipe your sweaty face without any worrying that your brow is gonna come off. So yeah, that literally doesn't happen, because I also use other non-transferable brow product. But yeah, in this range of product, this is the best product I can have right now. I just wish I could have the shade darker, because I'm literally a black brow person. But yeah, other than that, I love this product. So yeah, if you do not have much brow products, then you can definitely have this one. That's it, you guys. Bye. See ya.